This week's video is an unboxing of the IPSY Glam Bag X in collaboration with Alicia Keys. So if you want to see what's in this box, you better keep watching. Hey babies, welcome to another video. First of all, I need to thank IPSY and IPSY Studios for sending me these amazing bags over time. It is number one, the greatest concept ever, the IPSY bags. I think it's fabulous. I got the IPSY Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, and now I'm gonna show you guys the IPSY Glam Bag X. And this one is in collaboration with Alicia Keys. And if you're not familiar with their Glam Bag X, it's actually a quarterly subscription, not a monthly one. A quarterly subscription. It's $58 and it is in collaboration with a celebrity. And like I said, for August, it was Alicia Keys. And I can't wait to show you guys what came in this box. So I'm gonna keep this intro straight to the point. And I'm just gonna say to you guys, keep watching. I'll put the link to the IPSY website below this video if you wanna check them out. Okay, let's get the show on the road. So the IPSY Glam Bag X came with this Empowered State of Mind card in it that features the beautiful Alicia Keys. Now, the first item that stood out to me the most was the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. This is the box. I absolutely love the purple color scheme of her line. And then when you look at the cream, this is what it looks like. Oh, it feels really nice on your hand so far. It feels very nice, not sticky, not too thick, just right. So this cream is developed in partnership with board-certified dermatologists. It says it's a potent yet gentle, clean formula, hydrates and nourishes for plump and radiant-looking skin. Malachite, also known as the stone of transformation. Gently massage it on your skin using circular motions, apply to the face and neck morning and night. So this is like a day cream and night cream in one. Love that. I will let you know how this goes. Make sure you watch my Instagram, because whenever I get new products and I actually try them, I will review them on my Instagram instantly and show them in action. Next in the box was the Keys Soul Care Exfoliator. It's the Be Luminous Exfoliator. Now, Alicia Keys' line is called Keys Soul Care instead of skincare. I love that. This is the Be Luminous Exfoliator. I love this. I love this. Now, imagine these two sitting on your counter looking cute. I love it. Now, let's see what this looks like. This is actually a powder. I don't want to waste any of the product. Let's see here what it says that it does. It's a water-activated power exfoliator formulated with hojica powder. I hope I say that correctly, but with my European accent, mung beans, oats, and lactic acid that transforms into a gentle cream foam to gently buff away dullness and reveal your true radiance. Skin feels soft and smooth. So to apply this, you begin with wet hands and face. You apply a small amount to the palm of your hand, add water to create a creamy foam, and then gently massage that onto your skin in a circular motion, avoiding the eye area. You rinse it with warm water, pat dry, use it 2 to 3 times a week. I absolutely 1000% will be using this because I am a sucker for new products and trying them. So make sure you watch my Instagram because that's where you'll find the videos of me trying all these items. The next item in the box came in this box. It again says Keys Soul Care on it. It is an Obsidian facial roller. I am the queen of facial rollers. I absolutely love them. I have 2 actually that I'm storing in the fridge right now. And I use it every morning when my face is puffy and bloated and swollen. And I just love the way how cold stone on your face feels when you roll it. It just wakes you up. And it's just gets the blood flowing. It's amazing. This is what Obsidian facial roller looks like. and you would just basically roll it on your face. Oh, this already feels really cold. I love it. This is like, I should just do a whole video on facial rollers and facial devices you can use to smooth out your skin and make your skin feel better when it's puffy and bloated. Major inspiration coming to me here. I love the way this looks. Very classy, very pretty. I can't wait to use it. I am just gonna grab any next item here, and this is called Baby One, a talc-free eyeshadow palette. This is the box. These are the gorgeous colors in the palette. I believe a metallic shade, some matte shades. Very nice. There's two almost shimmery metallic-y shades, and then the rest is all mattes. But I really, really love the way this looks. I love the colors. I can't wait to use it. So that was in there. Next, the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. This is in the shade Golden Bronze. And I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Oh, it's very like kind of like metallic-y. It's very pretty. The reason why I don't like stick eyeshadows is because it's kind of, it just gives me the impression that it's going to be hard to blend. But yeah, that came in there too, so I might be trying it. I never say never. Moving right along. Next, we got the Pericone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I hope you guys can see the box. This is what products looks like. It's a big tube. It is a facial cleanser with vitamin C. It visibly smooths, brightens, and minimizes discoloration over time, which is amazing if that is something that you are struggling with. Cleanses without stripping the skin of its natural oils and visibly improves skin clarity, texture, and tone. Skin is left looking radiant and feeling refreshed. I myself am a big fan of vitamin C. Absolutely love vitamin C for my skin. I use it every morning in the form of an oil, but this is a cleanser, so I am highly excited to try it. Okay, so that was in there. Next, it is Lip Injection Extreme from Too Faced. This is an instant and long-term lip plumper. It tingles on your lips, okay? Apply only within parameter of the lip. Redness temporarily might occur. I love the percentages on here. It says that 93% of the people who use this said that their lips look fuller and more plump. Oh, this is actually a study that they did. So 93% of the people who tried it actually confirmed their lips are more plump and fuller. 97% said that they saw instant result, and 97% also said that their lips felt moisturized. That is always a good thing. Super excited about this. I'm not gonna try it now on my lips because I'm wearing lip gloss and I still have some other stuff to film after this, but it smells, I love it. Gummy, like chewing gum. Like very, very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my hand here. Okay, subtle gloss. Nothing crazy. And I am not a big fan of the lip tinkling sensation. If it tinkles for a minute and then goes away, I can totally handle that. And with all these percentages that said that it works, I'm absolutely excited to try it. The next thing I received is from the brand Woke, and it is a cool steam eye mask set. This is supposed to provide intense hydration, reduce dark circles and puffiness. And this is a new concept to me because I absolutely love it. First, I thought it was just a sleep mask, you know, because it looks just like a regular sleep mask. But then it came with these patches and these gels. And I found out that you can heat up patches or freeze these and put them in the fridge, and then you pop them into the mask. The mask has like pockets, and then you can wear it on your eye as, you know, a treatment for your eyes that's going to revive your eyes, refresh them, you know, get rid of any puffiness and dark circles. I think it's fabulous. It's going to be amazing. I would love to get this as a gift too, right? Anyways, that was this week's video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you're interested in IPSY, look below the video for the link to their website so you can check them out. They make for great, great gifts too. So if you want to give an IPSY subscription to someone else, absolutely highly recommend it, because I don't know of any girl who wouldn't love getting these IPSY items on a monthly or quarterly basis, depending on which subscription you are looking for. Okay, so feel free to browse around my channel. I have lots more IPSY videos and all kinds of other videos that you might love. Make sure you check them out. I will be back again next week with another video, so make sure you tune back in. See you then.